Hello, families. This is Miss Amato with a quick tutorial on how to get your kinder and first graders into your teacher's Google Classroom. Now, some of you may have already joined the Google Classroom, but this is more so for those who have maybe not seen the invitation or accepted it. So there are several ways to do this. One way, if you were on your child's district issued device, is that you'll see Google Classroom down here at the bottom on their little shelf down here. So you can go ahead and click on the little chalkboard. That is the Google Classroom app. And the teachers have already sent out invitations to all their homeroom students. So now that this is open, you'll see that this student has been invited to my class. So all they'll have to do is click join. It'll take a couple of seconds and then it'll go ahead and open up my Google Classroom. So what's one of the features that the kinder and first grade teachers are going to start using is this meet link. So your children will no longer be meeting in the other Google Meet. This will be the one they are meeting in. And this is more secure and safe. It's kind of like a classroom, an actual physical classroom. The teacher has to unlock it, open it up, and let the students in. This works the same way. The children cannot enter this classroom or this meet until the teacher unlocks it and is present inside. So if I were to click this link logged in as a student, it'll open up the meet link, but it'll tell me, sorry, you can't enter. So that's pretty much telling you that there's no teacher in there yet. So maybe you're a little too early. So you'll have to wait till your teacher opens it up. So you can just close that tab and then just wait until it's time to join the class. Let me go ahead and open that link from the teacher's side. And then you'll see that once I'm in, then the students can enter. So I went ahead and started it on my computer. So let me go ahead and try this again as a student. And now the student will be able to enter. You'll check your camera. I'm going to turn mine off and my mic. So it's telling me, okay, teacher's inside. Now I can join. And, the other kids will start joining in. And once class is over, it's going to be important that you, the student, leaves the room whenever it's time to leave. Okay? The teacher needs to kick everybody out before they can leave the classroom. So it's going to be important that you leave whenever it's time to exit. If you're not paying attention or you're not hanging up, the teacher does have the right to remove you from the meeting. Okay, so just keep in mind when it's time to go, you just hang up and then you can close that tab. So then let's say it's the end of the day, teacher leaves the classroom. I'm going to go ahead and hang up from the teacher side. And if the students try to log in without the teacher being in there, once again, they'll get that error message that the meeting has already ended. Okay, so this is how you guys will be meeting with your teachers from now on. You'll click here. Okay, so let's start fresh. Let's say, okay, you're in the Google Classroom, but you forgot how to log on. Again, you'll find the Google Classroom app down here. Click on it. And then you'll go ahead and select the classroom you're going to. In this case, it's going to be Miss Amato's class. And then when it's time, you'll go ahead and click on this Meet link. And then I'm going to join. And now I'm in for class. And again, at the end of class, we hang up the call. Okay, I hope this helps. Again, this is just for the security of all students. That way, they're not able to join the meeting without an adult being present or logging on when they shouldn't be logging on. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach me at pamaro@yisd.net or 434-6748. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.